The superstar, Miss Nora Honor. At of course, our members of the press, most of them kakagaling lang sa kabila na screening, no? Screening of Fanny. So it's the story of Miss Nora Honor. So, a fan of Miss Nora Honor. So I hope you guys enjoy this next song.
Pero gusto ko dito.
So, yun po tayo. So, kahit wala na po siya, pero ang hilig at pamana niya sa amin, well, dahil kay Kuya Rodel, I got to work with a superstar twice. Right? I got to work with Miss Nora Honor twice. Kahit na nagbibigay lang ng apoys, di ba, Kuya Rodel. So, di ba, kaya a music video that she's produced, she's just the most wonderful person that I've met. Very humble, very simple. So,